Hi, English 12 online students. This is Dr. Branch. I wanted to just introduce myself and let you know a little bit about the class. I'm so excited to be working with you this semester online. I have taught online classes for over 10 years, so I feel pretty comfortable with it. And I know a lot of you are very, very familiar with Schoology, and maybe even you took an online class before, so you feel pretty comfortable navigating it. So online is a little bit different than in class in the fact that it's nice because you get to work at your own pace. When you're actually in school, as you know, it's very on a very tight time schedule and that type of thing. But the nice thing about online, you work when you want to. In this class, you will have probably about 2 assignments per week that are due, and I give you a week to do them. So a week will open up on Monday morning, and then you'll work through the assignments and the reading, or if there's videos to watch, you'll go through all that, and then just make sure you have everything done by midnight on Sunday night. Now, the only downfall to that is you really do need to be self-motivated because you won't have, a teacher there, making sure that you get everything done. So that could be a little bit of a drawback. You will be working out of several of the folders, and I will send out a plan for you so you'll know exactly what, you need to do each week. And you'll have a calendar as well to refer to. So that will be good. The best way to contact me is through email. I check my email throughout the day and even on weekends. So I'm really good about getting back to you very, very quickly, probably within a few hours. So that will be good. Also, if you look in Schoology, you'll see a spot where it says meet the instructor that has my 2 phone numbers on there. So if you or your parents need to set up a phone conference with me, we can do that. Also, if you want to do a Google Meet, we can do that if you just feel like you want more, in-person one-on-one instruction. So I think that's it. I'm just really excited with meeting everybody online, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you.